Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Maria Larry Percival, 34 years old, single, from Bago City, province of Negros Occidental, Philippines. I also graduated from college. My mother worked as a barangay health worker. My father passed away since March 9, 2023. I got 3 sisters and 2 nephews. I am trustworthy, honest, and a very hardworking person. I am dedicated to my work, and I always do my job efficiently. I work as a cashier for 6 months, and I also work as a secretary for a dental clinic for 6 months. Then I worked as a nanny for 10 years. My employer was a single mother. She had 2 kids, age of 4 and 8 years old. She worked as a government employee. I stopped working for her because she decided to live in a different place. Taking care of kids is my passion. That's why I applied for a domestic helper in Hong Kong. I chose Hong Kong because it was close to the Philippines, and working there could help my family and for me to have a better future. Hoping for your consideration for my application. Thank you, Madam and Sir. Have a good day.